It was preferred that we provide a numerical limit to the total public debt to 9 trillion shillings in place of the current 50% of the GDP in net value terms.
What we are saying is that the government has a debt ceiling of 9 trillion. But this financial year, the amount we have allowed the government to borrow is only 635 billion.
We are not giving the government or the executive a blank check to go and borrow 9 trillion shillings. Honorable Speaker, it has been said, and I think the leader of minority said it, that every year the government comes to this house to ask this house to approve how much we shall borrow that particular year.
I am a lawyer. I am not a finance expert. The best finance experts in the country have advised that the best way to solve this problem is to increase the debt ceiling. Mr. Speaker, open an opportunity for that borrowing, restructure the debt and bring it down.
For every 100 shillings that Kenyans are being taxed, 50 shillings, half of that amount, is going to service debt, Mr. Speaker.
We want to open the debt ceiling to 9 trillion. It means, Mr. Speaker, our GDP and debt weight are going to be equal. Which country does that, Mr. Speaker?
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
Mtazamaji